Hi, my name is Elisha Pascual, and I am a fourth year biotechnology engineering student from Hawaii Pacific University. Have you ever gotten those orange medicine bottles from the pharmacy that your medication goes into? And how many of you have thrown these bottles away without the knowledge that they can be recycled or how to even properly dispose of them? So, there is a huge plastic problem around the world. An estimate of more than 190 billion single use over the counter plastic bottles were sold in 2021, and only less than 3% of these bottles were recycled. Polypropylene, or PP, is one of the most used packaging material and most used for prescription bottles due to their high melting point, and 5 billion PP are produced every year, but only 1% go through post-consumer recovery. Shown on the left in Figure 1 are different plastic packaging material types and their recycling rates between 2019 and 2020. PP here has shown to be the lowest recyclable material compared to HDPE, which is high density polyethylene, and this has the highest recycling rate. Most HDPE is made with polyethylene thermoplastic made from petroleum and is the most used for milk, motor oil, shampoos, conditioners, and other liquids. Therefore, they're more easily reused and recycled. So, to solve this problem, finding a process and the correct components to create biodegradable material that can be used to make these pharmaceutical prescription bottles is the main goal of this project. To create these novel materials, three different purified biopolymers from natural waste like wood were combined with acid cross-linking using high temperature curing and then cooled to room temperature. So, with the precise amount of each biopolymer, three new cross-linked materials, Fran 1 on the top left, Fran 2 top right, and Fran 3 bottom left were created. These three new cross-linked materials were then evaluated to compare to existing commercially available polylactic acid-based pharmaceutical prescription bottles, by placing them in a gram of each material in the soil. Between days 1 and 2, there was an initial increase of 3 times the original mass, due to the moisture of the soil for all three novel crossing materials. Um, this increase is very normal in the biodegradation process, because during the curing process, the materials might not have been fully cross-linked, creating pockets in the material, and therefore the water from the moisture would enter these pockets, making them swell up. So after the third day, there was a decrease in all new crossing materials. However, the commercially available biodegradable prescription bottles stayed the same mass. And it was found that Fran 3 had the highest mass decrease. Therefore, it has the most potential to become a material used to create pharmaceutical prescription bottles. For the future, there are many variables that can be evaluated. First, the amount of time to assess the degradability would be increased to 2 months, as well as using biodegradability assays to replicate different waste scenarios and to test anaerobic and aerobic biodegradability. And these assays are listed in the slides. Secondly, testing the durability of each material using light scattering, tensile strength, elasticity, and other um, variables will be done. Thirdly, finding an efficient way to mold these created materials to convert them into prescription bottles, as well as, and most importantly, testing the stability of medication with each novel material. And this material is not yet planned for liquid medications. However, in the future, it could be coated with a material to make them waterproof. These are my references, and thank you.